Okay. Let's see. Loading, please wait. That's fun. Are you... Wow, the lag. I just heard myself saying, loading, please wait,
Yeah.
on your end.
Yeah, I know it's like a 3 to 5 second delay on YouTube.
Yeah. Alright. Let's see, can I come over here to display capture, properties. Okay. Game capture. Wait, in-stream. I'm not ready to go live yet because I haven't synced where I'm streaming to. Now I should be able to go live.
Well, Inspired Technology was last updated in May.
Wow, that's a ways back.
Just a bit.
Okay, so I'm live now. I'm technically showing your stream as well, so
Okay.
while we're discussing this. But
Rotary airlock, I believe.
and I'm also fairly far behind on your what's actually happening because you just stopped looking. But yeah, okay. So hello, people in my stream. What we're doing is we're actually building a space engineers world using the water mod at the moment, and we're going to be playing around, seeing what mods we actually want to include. And there is a mod that I want to include. That is... What is the name of that thing?
The one I just picked? That is not the one I just picked.
Fletcher Arms. Blocks. Of Fletcher Armaments.
There's the one.
The tiered solar panels.
No, the high-tech solar arrays.
Ah.
We're gonna want the DirectX.
Copy page URL. Okay. Message you. Paste that.
Oh yeah, Fletcher Arms.
Yeah. I feel like if we're gonna do naval, we need the Fletcher Arms, you know?
Yeah, I think I've already got that.
Oh wait, that's my stream. Where's the other? Yeah, I'm streaming my stream for a moment there. Yeah.
Fletcher armaments, yeah.
Yep. I feel like that's definitely one we should add.
Let's see, Shutter, X-Wing, AI Core, armored thrusters, big gates.
Did you add the mid gate?
Ah, yes, that's right. Middle gate.
Mid gate.
There was some sort of aerodynamics mod that we needed.
Yeah, we're looking at an aerodynamics mod.
It should actually be over here, and it was called the
Wasn't it the
aerodynamic
re-entry?
physics.
Okay.
AER. Yep, aerodynamic physics, deadly re-entry, drag, and flight.
Yep. God, who is it that does?
Do we want the 3 wings for small ships?
Um.
Or do we want the full aerodynamics mod? Which is the plane part?
No, let's just. I think there's a plane parts without the mod. I'll look and see.
Plane parts. Plane parts plus propeller.
Yeah, we could go with that.
Yeah. This is the one that has the engine and the multiple different blocks.
Okay, I'm all for that.
Oh god, there was something else we were looking at.
Wasn't there a ship's parts
Ship's parts?
or boat part we're looking at? Boat parts.
Don't think I
I'll
have
message
that.
it to you.
Okay, boats parts. Yeah, I don't think I've got that.
I mean, some of it.
Propellers, hatches, propellers, sails.
Yeah, especially for the propellers.
A steering wheel, life buoy, bulkhead door, periscope,
the periscope's
and
nice.
portholes.
Yep.
Okay, so yeah, we were DEF. Defense shields.
Okay.
I wish I could just look at what my most recent things were that I subscribed to.
Yeah, unfortunately, you can't really do that in this. Let's see. Do we want to include those? Uh, the what are the reactors we're using? Um,
Deuterium reactors.
yeah. Do we want to include those?
Well, we're gonna have to if we're crashing our ships.
Yeah. Okay. We also had Spacebar's bridge consoles.
We also need the armored conveyors, or we're gonna have the same exact.
Yeah, we're gonna have some clang going on.
Yeah.
Spacebar's armored conveyors. Too bad we can't just search Spacebar to get them.
There's the bridge consoles. Yeah, no, I grabbed the armored conveyors already.
Okay. What was the other thing that we needed?
His thruster pack.
Yeah, is
DLC something.
direct, linear, something. I'll see if I can.
Armored thrusters, dynamic laser compensation thruster modules.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, he named them dynamic laser compression modular thrusters because everything he has to be like DLC joke in the name. Got the plane parts.
Okay, I got the water world, or the water mod, and the planet. Rival AI, and the pirate encounters. Airlock, air vent, airtight force field door, nano, auto, scrap, the solar arrays, Colt, Fletcher armaments, the middle gate. The aerodynamic physics.
Airlock. The air vent. The combined air vent.
Combined air vent?
Yeah, the thing that Fuzz was in love with. It's like the last element of Fuzz that is in our Space Engineers games.
Yeah, that's the conveyor air vent.
Conveyor air vent. Okay.
Middle gate aerodynamics. Plane parts plus propeller. Boat parts, defense shields, fusion reactors, armored conveyors, space bars, bridge consoles, and its thrusters.
Yep.
I don't.
Do we have the harpoon?
Oh yeah, no, we were talking about that. The harpoon, which uses a parachute.
Yep. And then we had the assault weapons pack. Which, honestly, I'm going to be fine if we want to pull the assault weapons and the energy weapons after we crash.
And energy weapons.
All I remember with the energy weapons was it was Clockworks.
Which I believe is the directed ones.
Okay.
Yeah, directed energy weapons.
Okay. Yep. And then we were looking at power cable test, correct? Or the power cables?
I believe it's the tethers. Power and fuel.
Okay.
Yeah, because it has the power lines and transformers and all that stuff in it.
Alright. Well, with that, I think... Oh yeah, I got a messy desktop, Fuzz.
Admin spider power?
No.
That was a fuzz mod that we never got to use.
Yeah. I think that's everything we're talking about.
Yeah. Because then we can dump the assault weapons and the tethers. Or not the assault weapons and the tethers, but the assault weapons and the directed energy weapons.
Right.
Because I don't think those have been updated for dispersion in the water mod yet.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for coming to my defense, Z. People are talking in my chat. So
I'm so used to having my phone sitting next to me with your stream up so that I can keep an eye on your chat since nobody ever freaking visits me. I feel so lonely.
Let's see.
Okay, so asteroid amount, none. Limit world size.
I don't think we need to really limit world size.
Queue distance, cooldowns disabled. Sun rotation won't matter.
Yep.
Block limits off. Yes, I know it's
Yeah,
going to cause
off,
performance
off.
issues.
Off. Yeah, Z, we're building a ocean world. Yeah, the main reason my desktop is an absolute mess right now is just I've got several projects going at the moment. So
okay, so enabled spectator, enabled copy paste, show names, thruster damage.
I think we need to turn cargo ships off because I'm pretty sure Rival AI and Modular Spawner handles that.
We didn't add modular spawner. We added
thought...
Rival AI and the pirates. We forgot to add the modular spawners.
Okay. Let me see if those require modular spawner as well.
Because I know we want.
Yeah, it requires the modular encounter spawner as well.
Okay, so we're gonna have to add that.
Yeah.
Enable oxygen, obviously. Air tightness will be fun to play with as my computer slowly cries itself to death.
We're adding boat mod stuff and things like that. So yes.
Jetpack. Do we want to turn off random encounters?
Yes. Because that'll be all handled by the the modular encounters.
Progression?
No.
Auto spawn, so we don't have to So we turn off auto spawn so we can choose where we spawn.
Sure.
Leave economy on. Do we want to adjust our inventory sizes?
Nah, I'm fine how it is.
Let's go back to the mods.
Ooh, yeah. I like that fuzz. Wait a second. If you pull the key, others can drive off in it. That doesn't make sense, Fuzz.
But, There's the modular encounter spawner. Oh, there was that mod for landing on a carrier.
Oh yeah, the frick. What was it? Arrestor. Arrestor cable.
Carrier landing.
Yep.
Did we want the airstrip then?
We'd have to build that up on surface, so we can add it. Right now we're going to be a long way off before we get to building stuff on the surface.
Okay.
So
the tethers, the modular encounter spawner, which should probably need to go up a bit.
yeah, it probably needs to go up near the top.
And the carrier landing stuff, which I don't think I'm gonna really mess with much on that. Oh, I need the space data center. Because then part of my ship will disappear if I don't have that in there.
Yeah, that could be a problem.
Do we want to grab any of the encounters, modular encounter spawns beyond the pirate one?
I think just using the pirate one for now is going to be fine.
Okay. And so we wanted in. I mean, we could start in survival.
And creatively put our vehicles in. Yeah.
And the planet.
Yeah, that's what I figure.
I mean, I could spawn the planet. You need to spawn everything else.
Yeah. Well, survival, if you promote yourself, you can go into creative, basically, and do that.
Yeah.
So. Alright, you've got the world loading, so let me know when you have the world up.
Fletcher Arms is going to be so fun.
Yeah, at least we're...
D-Swag, I think we miscalculated on our jumps. Just a little bit. There's a lot of ice right outside my window. Okay, so just spawn, then I need to create a faction. World is up, by the way.
Uh-huh. Well, as soon as I heard you talking about creating a faction, I figured I could log in.
Um, faction name idea?
No idea. Drop down everything that's not important for me on an alternate screen while I load in. You know, I think there's something that I need to remember to do before like Z and everybody else takes off at the end of the streams.
Yeah.
I need to remind everybody to hit the like button.
Oh my, you've got a like button.
Yeah, tickle my like button. Usually I only talk about that after like Z, Youngest, and everybody else who shows up heads out.
Yeah, usually. Okay, I've got a reactor and a med station down.
Okay.
And I guess that direction. So F10. Alt.
Okay.
How do we spawn planets again?
Shift, is it F10?
Oh, Shift F10. I'm in the wrong menu. Planets. Aquarius.
Yeah, I don't have the authority to spawn it in.
What was it, 120 kilometers?
Yeah. What? Okay. Which is worse, becoming a zombie or a necromancer thrall? I would have to say a thrall.
Oh, wow. Prepare for incoming. Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, sweet. The ring actually. What the. What?
I know. What the hell is this? Apparently, you go below it and everything looks fine. That's just a horizon glitch, apparently.
Yeah.
And it happens to be right on the horizon from where I built that thing.
Yep. Okay, so I guess we could delete this since we're pretty much in creative then.
Yeah. Oh, X. Okay. And that blue line is still there, but eh.
Well, we'll probably have to reload.
We'll probably never notice it once we're on the frickin' ground.
Well,
Unless we crash north of it.
yeah, it disappears as soon as we hit the atmosphere of this planet. Okay. Oh. Oh dear. That's kind of nifty. Light? Flashlight?
What? What?
I'm trying to creatively look down in the planet, and that is tough.
Well, can you tell if the water's actually on the ground?
Oh God, yeah. Yes, there's water.
Okay. Now remember, there are Easter eggs
Yeah.
that I on purpose didn't look at.
Yep. I don't know how deep the ocean is here.
Over a kilometer in some places.
Huh.
What?
Well, just trying to figure out how. Have I hit? I don't know if I've.
I don't know if you've hit the bottom yet.
Yeah. All right. Let's do that.
What? Battery, antenna, and whatnot, and just drop them down?
Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. Just so I can.
Figure out how deep it is in that spot.
Yeah, because if I'm going to drop my ship down into the bottom and we have to explore a way, I need to find where the bottom is. You know?
Okay, there's the right one.
Are you not streaming on Twitch?
Me?
Hmm.
No.
Ah.
No, I'm twitchy enough as it is. YouTube works for me.
Why can I not teleport my body?
I don't know.
Because my body is. Both our bodies are apparently stuck in space. I should be able to just.
Because I'm in space. I think I need to promote you. Wait.
Let's see. What makes you say thrall? A thrall is somebody who is basically they're still aware of themselves, but
Dang, this world is big.
yeah, it's big. Med. I'm gonna solve this in another manner. Well, I thought I was.
Just remember that aerodynamic mod thing is on.
Yeah.
So this is whatever goes in is going to end up burning up.
Yep. No. I'm just killing myself and going to the med bay that's down on the planet. All right. Antenna, broadcast, Control C, F8. Yes, that is. Well, if I can't control myself, that's why I'd prefer to be a thrall than a.
Do you have a specific location you are on the planet?
Yeah. Well, my body is at the static, one of the two static grid 3, 8, 3, 4, 9, 6, the one that's not moving.
Okay, because I have an antenna in orbit, and I just extended its range. Because once it hits the ground, you're going to have to extend the range so that I can see it from orbit.
Well, once it hits the ground, I have a strong feeling this thing's going to blow up. So. But I'm hoping to be close enough to the ground that I can paste a second one in.
Yeah, because I doubt they have flow physics with the water.
No. Yeah, I would prefer to be a zombie because then I'm dead and I'm not in my body that is not under my control. Okay, I am almost 2 kilometers down and this thing is still free falling.
Yeah, well, I said 1 kilometer at some places. It can get deep.
Possibly. Oh god, it is getting real deep.
I know, I can start hearing your computer complaining.
Eh. At the point, I mean, at the point where you're a zombie, you have no control over anything. So, either way, you don't really have a control over anything. So, zombie, you're not there to have the existential care.
Fuzz.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay. I hit the bottom of the ocean at 2,788 meters.
And it looks like it survived.
Yep. So.
Turn up the range on it.
Yeah, mine is already maxed out.
Oh, wait.
Oh, I have a slight issue, I think.
What is it?
I don't think I have a blueprint of the Valkyrie with the modifications.
We can always hop into the other world and grab them.
Fair enough.
Because I did modify my ship, too.
Yeah, we'll need to do that.
Yeah, I can't see the beacon. The antenna.
Well, its antenna, both of them, their antenna range is maxed out. So,
Dang. That planet is a lot farther away than I thought it was then.
yeah. See, I am, if I had to guess, I am probably on the other side of the planet from you.
Oh, shite. I forgot that this, oh crap mod increases the maximum speed, too.
Yeah. Okay, well.
Yeah, this is gonna suck. Okay, so,
Load up the other world so we can grab blueprints, or I can grab blueprints because you can't.
yeah.
Okay.
Load game. Empty world. Loading.
Will be. That's the plan. Kasich is a flooded apocalypse world. Well, not necessarily apocalypse. If we wanted apocalypse, we would have messed with a different world.
Yeah, there's a pretty nice,
Ecumenopolis
yeah, city, Planet City.
thing.
We would have just stuck the water mod on there and just flooded it.
Yeah. Let me know when you get the world up.
Oh, it's loading now. Just waiting for that weird segment I get just before something loads, so.
Uh, I kind of wish I had done that, but oh well.
It's up.
It's up.
Yep, it's up.
Okay, join game.
Oh yeah, the reason we left when we did last time.
Oh, we're under attack, weren't we?
No, there's a Corp destroyer Zeta 935, like 8.5 kilometers away.
Ah.
We were thinking of going and saying hi at that point.
Oh well.
And you were halfway through cutting off the rear end of your ship.
Eh.
Man, that's why alternate realities are so fun.
Eh. I love the weird wave. Woo. Yeah, when I load into your worlds, it's like I'm traveling through the Nexus from Star Trek Next Gen.
Yeah. Hey, don't you ever hear me just saying, alternate realities?
No, I don't hear you because good God, connection problems. What have you done? You must have borked something since last time.
No, I just lived.
Lights on. Thank you. All right. Info. Control B. Thinking about it, I'm going to want blueprint at that height. I'm grabbing it right about there. Okay, where's your ship? You ready for me to blueprint her?
Yeah, give me a sec.
Um, are you going to want to just crash on the planet, or are you going to want to go all the way down to the bottom?
I'm interested in seeing what both happens, or what happens at both ways.
I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom. If you want to try and ride your ship down from orbit into the ocean and see what happens, you can. I'll just copy and paste it up in orbit. But if you want to put it on the bottom,
I just want to see how much of it burns up in the atmosphere, and then delete it once it gets down, but place it in the ocean originally.
well, you'll have to turn the shields off for that. But here, my question is basically, how do you want to land into the ocean? Like when you get stuck on the bottom.
I mean, it's
How
gonna...
deep do you want to be into the ground?
Honestly, it can rest up at about this level.
This level?
Yeah, so
Okay.
these are still accessible, but the rest of this
Fine.
is all kind of just under.
Okay. Would you like it if I if it rocked sideways?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so I'll. So here's a thought.
Mm.
What if I placed it in there so that this, like one of these diagonals on the front, your chin,
Yeah.
that is level with the ice?
Oh, so it's like this on its side?
Yeah. What would you think of that?
It would make it difficult in some points to get to the bridge, but this ship's pretty much going to get stripped down for parts anyway.
So,
yeah, no, that would work.
okay. Why I needed to know was for taking the blueprint.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I've got the blueprints.
Okay. Are you out?
Yep. Let me know when you've got the world back up.
It's loading, checking mods.
Yep.
Okay, world's up.
World's up.
And I'm just blazing my butt off heading towards the planet, so.
Join game. From what I've seen of ships with hydrogen tanks, my ship still has quite a bit of hydrogen left. I have a strong feeling it would stay afloat if I chose to let it stay afloat.
Well, you could pop it on and then check.
Yeah.
Hey, Thundra.
Hi, guys.
Starting a new world. Want to join us?
A new world?
A
Okay.
new world.
A new world.
A whole new world.
I was trying not to do that.
With oceans so deep.
Okay.
Oceans and Farming Simulator. Last
We're
I
not
checked.
in Farming Simulator.
What are you talking about, Farming Simulator? It's Friday.
Oh, Space Engineers.
Yeah.
Why is it in Simulator? That's why I was. Never mind.
Well,
Nope, D-Swank's down there trying to place a starship on an ocean bottom, and I'm up here in planet orbit just barreling towards it because it's got one of
What?
those burn-up mods if you're
Oh,
going too fast.
we didn't put Yuna's weapon mod in, but
Well, I didn't think we were going to be using it for this
yeah, I
particular
didn't think
playthrough.
we would either. Okay, I'm pacing my ship in to see if it would have floated.
Yeah, go right ahead.
Floated?
Uh-huh.
Oh my, the planet is finally starting to load.
Oh, dear. There it is.
All the layers. The layers.
I forgot something.
Oh, you are some distance off in that direction, aren't you?
Yeah. Well, what I forgot was the fact that I'm going to have to turn the thrusters off on my ship to see if it would sink.
Well, on the blessed, or cursed, I can't unsee the fact that the head looks like Sonic.
I'm trying to just tail end this thing over to you before I hit the atmosphere.
So the fact that I pasted that ship in means I showed up.
You did?
Okay. For you. I see you. I see your antennas. All right.
There's the 3 friendly signals over there. As I am actually somehow pushing my way out of an atmosphere on a single ion thruster.
Yeah.
Oh, shark bait's after you.
Sharkbait's gonna die fairly quickly if we're honest. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's grab all thrusters. Off. Okay, eye is falling. See if it would stay afloat. Nope. I would sink. It looks like.
Yeah, you may have full hydrogen tanks on board, but not enough.
Nope. Nope. My ass is staying up.
Oh god, you're gonna go nose down, aren't you?
Basically, it floats by the ass end.
Yeah, you'd have to fire your thrusters to drain that hydrogen.
Yep.
Oh my, yeah, no, you decided on a spot that's right over the frickin' ocean. Off the main continent area.
No, it is slowly sinking. Hmm. Okay. Well. Where is my ship? Delete that. Okay. Zero you out. Okay, not that one. Let's get close to this.
Guessing it's the signal to my right.
I have no idea.
Yep.
Good enough for what I want.
Oh. I just lost some signals.
Yeah, well, my ship's down there, so
Yeah, well, I'm about to hit the atmosphere, so this could go very badly for me. Correction, I'm expecting this to go very badly for me.
I wish I could
Chase cam
lock
it.
lock my spectator cam on you. Should be hitting the atmosphere fairly soon.
Yeah, I'm about 9 kilometers. Oh! Oh ho ho! The
Yep,
sparks! The sparks!
that's actually pretty well done.
The sparks! The sparks are real! Oh god, there goes my antenna! Oh god, there goes everything else! Ah! I have no idea. Okay, yeah. There's the engine.
We know how to get a shooting star in Space Engineers now. Ask Daniel about his ship.
Oh,
Okay.
hey, I'm coming down to see you, man.
Where do you want your ship?
uh,
Do you want it near an island or deep underwater?
somewhere not too far away from yours, I would guess.
Okay.
Oh boy, I wonder what hitting the water's like. Oh god, I could hear the splash. And my speed at falling has dropped considerably.
Yep. All right. Okay. F10.
Okay, apparently past 500 meters it goes into the warning level.
Yep. Because at 500 meters.
We're at crush depth.
Uh-huh. No. Well, yeah, it's crush depth for your
Suit.
Yes.
Oh, this is creepy.
Yeah.
The sounds I'm getting.
Oh yeah. The sounds are quite creepy.
I am 700 meters from your ship, and I'm just barely starting to see a corner of it.
Uh-huh. That's my biggest problem right now is...
Oh, hello. Wow, you have to get close. Oops. Looks like you might have hit a little hard. Oh god, this is beautiful. Well, the nice thing about your ship,
Hmm?
you've got that dire bottom section and the wings you can just clip right off it.
That was my plan. Ah! Okay, well, I guess that's good enough.
Wait, where is it?
I bumped the clicky. I was gonna make it more leaning over, but oh well. You're pretty much flat. And a little bit higher than you requested, but oh well.
Yeah, it's fine. I can
I
work
think
with it.
I might join Fuzz and Farming Simulator because I already found out what happens with Space Engineers and water planets
When?
this morning.
Oh, you tried a water planet in Space Engineers?
I saw the update.
So she doesn't know.
This is the water planet is a mod.
Yeah, the way we have it set up is actually working quite well. It's not lagging my computer at all.
Well,
Yep.
maybe it was just a planet that had water in it.
Alright, I guess I can swim down to my... Okay.
I can breathe again.
Yep.
Yeah, that
Let me-
airlock door works very well.
Yeah, I imagine. I need to get up because for some reason there's some sort of bug going on where I can't, move where I want to.
Ah,
Like I can't control shifts or space shift or whatever it is to teleport my body.
oh, I always thought it was like F6 or something.
Yeah, that's how you get into different perspectives.
Oh no, there's like one of those keys there that'll teleport you to where your camera is.
Yes. I know it's like control shift space or something along those lines. Alright, your antenna has appeared. Off the top of my head, I don't know if it's control space or shift space. But it's one of those two. And by doing control shift space, you hit all of them and it would work.
Yeah. Oh my, I'm walking through the forward compartment of my ship and I can just hear everything going creak.
Alright. I gotta get in my ship.
And the water flows into my ship. Oh, that is actually cool.
Mm-hmm.
I opened up the nose section of my ship
Yeah.
where the hangar is,
Yeah.
and my drone is missing, but yeah, whatever.
Eh.
The water textures that
Yeah.
kind of let you know you're in the water
Yep.
slowly appeared as the doors were fully opened. So now the nose of my ship is now fully submerged underwater.
Okay. Well, I am underwater. Thunder just disconnected.
Thunder just crashed.
Oh. Do we want... I'm going to get on one of the beds, log out. Ooh, that creaky noise is not fun.
No, that's not. That's going to be creepy for a while as we get used to it.
Yeah. Do we want
Well, we're
to
gonna have
log
to-
out? We need to log out and switch it back to survival now.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going to have to do that.
So, I'm going to back out.
And it froze.
Let me know when you've got the world back up as a survival world.
Yeah. Thundra, I'm going to log out of the world, so give it a moment.
Oh, right. Space engineers crashed hard on me, so.
I had a God, Chipotle burrito delivered a few moments ago.
Yummy.
Okay, it's been switched over.
I had one of those English cucumbers that I got from the store.
Is an English cucumber different from a normal cucumber?
It's sweeter, more crisp.
Mm.
Oh, it sounds like it's fresher.
Well, even the same thing. And they also are weird shaped, if you hadn't ever seen one before.
I've seen cucumber and negi from around the world, so. World's up.
World's up.
World's up.
All right.
There's also a lot of less seeds in the English cucumber.
Oh, jeez, I can't even walk up to my windows. It hurts.
Usually when you see sliced cucumber, it's going to be the normal cucumber. Not the English one.
My
English
bridge.
one is usually good. If you've ever had where it looks like it's ridges on the outside of the cucumber, most likely it's an English cucumber that was cut.
Mm.
My bridge is now a death trap. I can't approach any of the windows.
Why is
That's
that?
going to be a problem.
Because the way I have the windows designed on my vehicle, they slope.
Oh, I have a problem going through the doors.
Yeah, I saw that. You just got hurt.
Yeah,
Which one,
the
airlock doors.
uh-huh.
The rotary doors.
Yep. Okay. Yep. The windows just did it to me too. Ooh, that's not going to be fun.
No, you're gonna have to remember to stay away from the windows.
Mm-hmm.
The windows and the airlock doors. The rotary airlock doors.
So, Thunder, you gonna try to join us again?
I'm going to try.
Hmm. I'm going to wait till I get some charge. Can I walk up to these? Nope.
What? Walk up to what?
The flat windows.
Do they do the same thing?
Yep.
Oh.
It kind of makes sense with in some aspects. There's a reason submarines don't have glass.
Oh God, that is terrifying.
Player connected Thundra in the world you can hear just go creak. It's like, yeah. Here comes Thundra.
That noise is absolutely terrifying.
Oh God, yes it is. My ship keeps fluctuating around a year's worth of power.
Yeah. 5 and 6 on mine.
So how are we going to do any work on our ships, god dang it, when we can't even go outside?
Drones.
Surface.
I mean, I've got a drone, it's called a Thundra.
Surface the ship.
Salvage elements of your ship and use it to build a drone. You're a carrier.
Yeah, but my bow section is
Completely underwater right now?
Don't you have don't
filled.
you have a control interface that you can close them with?
Yeah, the doors are closed, but it's still full of water.
Hmm.
Well, actually, it is no longer filled with water. Apparently, the system has adjusted enough that it's pressurized the nose section of my ship with air.
Yep.
So it looks like I could build a couple drones here.
But do you have a double door system?
I have a single door system on the hangar
But
because it
he
was
can go
designed
in.
for space.
Yep. So we can open the door, send the drone out, and then
Close the door and pressurize that
yeah,
section.
that's pretty much what I'm going to do. Is this area here? I'm going to build a drone in, and open that, flood this room, and well, I might build it right here. Um,
Where should I spawn?
um,
Who do you want to play with at the moment?
yeah,
Because we're both underwater.
and there's also one on the shoreline.
Well, the thing is it's all going to see D-Swing because D-Swing pasted the ship in.
When you click on it and give it some time, does it show? Excuse me. A white ship or a green ship?
The first one shows a white ship, and it's the only one that's got oxygen out of all of them. It's the only one that has medical room and oxygen. It's it in medical room 2, and they're both the same ship.
Okay, well, that should be mine then.
I just froze up for a moment.
Yep, that was
That's me
Thunder
testing
spawning
in.
in over here. Hello, Thundra.
Hi, D-Swing.
Yeah, I'm going to adjust the naming on my stuff here.
So, I've got 2 projects I need worked on.
Okay. As long as it's not going out in this depth, because this is
No.
2,758 underneath the
Okay,
ocean.
if you'll follow me,
I'm trying to follow you.
we need to make sure we close all the doors behind us.
That's a good thing to keep in mind. Just not while I'm in the door, please.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
which doors are these? I gotta remember these.
These are from one of the new DLCs.
Yeah, because these would go good for the White Star that I built.
Okay.
Right now I have the rotaries on it, and it doesn't look right.
So okay. This I need you to cut this walkway that's right here that I'm in out. Okay?
By how many squares?
Just that one above, okay? I need this cut out, and I need a collector put plumbed in there, okay? Think you can do that? Also, do not open that bottom door, because that'll let the ocean in. You know what? I am turning that door off. It cannot be opened now.
Health low.
Bad door.
Health critical.
Okay. I am going to work on putting together a drone.
Oh, shoot. Wrong one. Wrong one.
Oh dear.
Health low.
Okay.
Health critical.
Yes, I know health is critical.
Do map boats not work on stairs?
That's the right one.
We're in gravity, so they're not going to work on in.
Well, that
Right.
might be a bit of a problem.
Oh,
I don't have a hydrogen tank, so I can't get up to where I need to grind out.
okay. You should be able to charge your hydrogen up at the.
Yeah, I just
med
gotta
bay.
go back and forth. But to make sure I know what I'm getting rid of before that I do that.
Yes.
Is it the thing below the conveyor?
No, it is this hallway segment that I am inside.
The hallway segment. And is there water outside that?
No, that goes inside the ship.
Okay. So do you need the whole like
I need
I'm gonna,
just this square.
okay, just that
I need
square.
this-
Okay.
This square so that I can put something plumbed in there.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go get my hydrogen charged, and then I'll do that. Now that I know what exactly you need, I want to make sure because of few reasons.
Fair enough. Okay, I need motors and construction components. That is a terrifying noise.
Where?
Oh, we have no. Yeah, okay. No air vent there, that's why it hurts us. Alright.
Should I be worried that it's dark?
Nope.
Apparently, one of my large cargo containers
Yes.
is no longer connected to the network, and that's the one that's got all my stuff in it.
Ooh. Ooh, that's gonna be a damn problem.
Yeah.
Alright. I am gonna go ahead and grab bits from this.
Or the forward and rear networks aren't connected for one reason or another.
Alright. Oh yeah, I forgot about all scrap. We've never really messed with all scrap before.
It might be a good thing that I'm getting lost in your ship then. Go through here.
Yeah, that's actually not a lot of ice that a single collector pulls in. But it did fill all of my deuterium processors up.
I thought the beds recharged.
Recharged what?
Hydrogen.
No. They'll recharge
Right.
everything else. That creaking noise is terrifying.
Low health.
Alright.
Your health is
Hey.
critical.
Yeah, of course my health is critical.
Um, Alright, let's see how big that is.
Does cryo recharge it?
Low.
Yes.
Your health is
This one must not be hooked up to it. Oh, that sucks. Not even the med bay does it.
Does what?
No, that must mean that there's no free hydrogen in the system. Give me a sec, Thunder.
10-4?
Hydrogen tank. Okay, give it a try now.
There we go! I'm charged and ready to go.
Alright. Thinking about it.
Okay, that is terrifying.
What? The creaking noise?
No. Seeing random sparks.
As your vehicle is slowly repairing itself?
It might be that. It might be the builder repair trying to fix things. It's creeping me out. It's like flashing, like some kind of horror movie.
What else can I throw on this? All blocks. I'm gonna need an antenna on it. Gonna need a battery.
Okay, so apparently by sticking the inputs inside the hangar,
Yeah.
I'm draining the hangar.
Yeah. Uh, okay.
Yeah, the collectors that are inside
Hmm.
are actually draining more water.
Mm. Alright, I'm going to need to put together a power cell, find some computers.
Okay, let's see.
Radio components. Camera.
You wouldn't happen to have some sort of dock on your ship that I could dock a submersible to, would you?
And then get it into the ship?
Without killing myself moving from the submersible to your ship.
No. Not at the moment.
Okay.
What, do you have a functioning little sub?
I will in a few minutes, because there's a design I was working on that's good in space and in the water.
Daniel.
Mm.
As long as it is not any taller than 2 blocks, it should fit.
2 full blocks?
2
Large
full blocks.
Okay.
And I finally added the ship that leads outside.
What did you do?
I found a part of the ship that leads outside.
Yeah,
What?
she messed up.
Why did you just randomly go into a room?
Wasn't randomly. It was a rotary door.
So you went to the wings.
I got lost.
Okay, I'm going to turn the wing doors off.
So what kind of thrusters should we use underwater?
Well, I'm using the boat thrusters.
Okay.
Although I'm kind of short on material to complete them.
You know where your refineries are, right?
Yes.
That's the area I keep seeing random sparks. It's got a bunch of cargoes above it, and it's got 2 refineries on either side of you.
And you're probably seeing the sparks from below where I'm welding stuff up.
It could be. Yeah, because it was in that room.
Alright.
That is freaking creepy, and I love it.
Alright. This area will... Don't get near the windows, Thundra.
Yeah?
But this area, we will always keep that door closed, okay? When we're doing operations that are going to be involving the drones,
Mm-hmm.
that door is pretty much going to be locked.
Okay.
So it doesn't accidentally open.
Or Dunter not realizing where she's looking.
Yeah.
Or getting lost, like
Plates.
I did already. Because I can see where my body is, and it looks like about where the wings might be on the ship.
Yep.
Wait, what the hell am I even? Oh, no, I don't.
And we're going to
So-
keep the med bay area sealed off as well.
Okay. Which is the door 2s, right?
Yeah, well, it's the area behind that back here.
Okay. Here
This
we
is
go.
the med bay area.
Which is where I spawned both times.
Yep. So we're going to keep this area sealed.
Are
Doors
you gonna...
closed, everything.
Right.
I'm going to leave this rotary airlock for now.
Uh-huh.
But just don't use it because getting in it hurts you.
I noticed. I was trying to go back to the area you wanted me to get that thing. I have the collector selected. It's just I can't find it. And that's how I found the wing, and the wing's death. Thankfully,
Yep.
it was a rotary door because otherwise that room would now be a problem.
Yep, I've gone in and powered down the rotary airlocks.
Okay.
This is the
Thank
where I
you.
was.
There we go.
I recognize it.
And be aware, everything around you, except up, is one square to the outside.
The thing that's at... Okay.
You're grinding the right thing.
Alright, I want to make sure, because this is Thundra.
Yes, you're grinding on the right thing. Okay. I don't have any steel plates.
I can bring you over materials since I did have a bunch because, you know, drone ship.
Yeah. I have a feeling we're going to be converting your drone into a worker drone, basically to get us cut free and get resources.
I gotta make steel plate, because apparently I don't have any. I gotta remember about that.
Well, be aware we have very few resources on this ship.
Oh.
Honestly, I don't know if we have enough resources on this ship.
Come on. Oh, I need to hit the button again and then hit the button again. And boom.
Where do I deposit my stuff to so that it can be changed into what we actually need it to be?
Let's place for it. Come up here. Into this cargo container up there.
There it is.
Alright, it's already been grabbed. Let me grab.
Yeah, pretty quick on grabbing it. What is this
Yep.
thing? It's a jukebox.
Yep. That's point defense lasers. Locker has that. Those are lockers. Don't know where. Why? What? Oh. Oh no.
Are you having a problem with Daniel?
No, I just realized where one of these cargo containers is.
Outside.
Yes. It's one I haven't plumbed up yet.
Oh dear. You guys didn't really
We
waterproof
didn't
ships.
design these ships for water.
We didn't. So... Oh no. The idea for this was not that we're going to be, oh, we're ready for going underwater. No, the challenge in this was we're not ready for going underwater.
Oh, you fully succeeded in that. The question is why under the water instead of, into space?
We were in space.
It's just Daniel's really bad at coordinating jump coordinates.
No, you're the one who said, let's try this experimental bull, and I'm like, okay, I'll follow you, and then God knows where the hell we ended up.
Okay, so then it's the fact your support ship, doesn't have enough power.
No, my ship does not have a lot of power. You know that. I've only got like 4 drives and 2 reactors.
Well, you should have bowed out then.
Yes.
Ah!
Oh, wait,
Kicked
no,
me back into my room.
Straight.
I didn't know you were going through there. I'm trying to keep a good habit of shutting the doors behind me.
Fair enough. Okay, I need a lot more motors. I need a display and computers.
Come on. There we go.
See how much of what I'm carrying can I throw into these.
Oh my gosh, the reflections off the glass is beautiful.
Yeah, okay, so
I'm not getting any closer to the glass because I know what'll happen. But I can look.
do they have the small grid? They do have this. Oh no, that's just an ejector. Connector, collector.
I wonder if that's why the rotary hurt you, is because it has glass in it, even though technically there would be no way the water pressure could have got to it.
No, it's the fact that the way the water mod works. Basically, if it's not pressurized, you take damage at this depth, and technically the very center of the rotary doors is not pressurized.
Makes sense. Sorry if I'm getting distracted. It's just everything in this ship right now is pretty much new except for the doors and a few handful of other things.
Quite a bit of this ship is actually DLC vanilla. There's only a handful of it that is modded.
Oh, even the DLC is still new to me.
Yeah. Oh shit! I have. Oh Lord, love a ball. Thank God! I have almost 1,000,000 iron ingots on this. I did not realize that.
You took all the iron? That would explain why I'm not finding much on my ship.
I know I didn't take all the iron, but I know I took a lot of it.
Yeah, I see you got a couple oxygen tanks. Whatever the hell that is. Oh, it's deuterium.
Deuterium. Yep.
Yeah, my pronunciation. We all know how this sucks.
Could always be worse.
Yep.
Holy crap! You weren't kidding. I just found that in the list.
Yep. Yeah, I'm a lot more resources on this thing than I thought. Okay. Do I need for that?
This is stupid. Hydrogen
Okay.
engines work underwater.
Okay. 3 motors and 4 displays. Doesn't surprise me that hydrogen engines work underwater.
Considering it uses it.
Huh?
3 motors, 4 displays.
3 motors, 4 displays. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 motors, displays. Alright. Made those.
And before I forget, something I always forget in designing these things.
A gyro.
Oh yeah.
Alright. Okay, we got to collect.
When I first read the silicone wafer, I thought it said silicone water.
You were using the boat motors, right?
Uh-huh.
Boat parts.
Okay.
There it is.
Okay.
So the deuterium uses ice?
Uh-huh.
Okay, because it's chewing through it pretty fast.
Yeah, but you guys should have massive amounts once you guys put on any sort of collector outside.
We got the collector going now.
Okay, I thought I saw some sort of external propeller, but it looks like you don't have something like that.
Oh yeah. I mean, we're pulling in ice rapidly now.
Yeah, the collector's going nuts.
Yeah, the collector should be just constantly pulling in water, which
Yeah,
is
it
ice.
can't. It just says ice on here. It doesn't say the water, but it's going 246, and it's all in the hundreds, and it's going right to the processors as it goes before
Yep.
I even get to see there very long.
Okay. Production. Alright, over here.
Unknown signal, also known as your death.
Yep,
At least
at
here it
least
is.
for now. Okay.
I see you got hydroponics going too. I found a few planters.
Hydroponic? Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, those are just decorative.
Ah, I thought that they had that. I mean, that one mod
Unfortunately,
causes you to have
yeah.
to eat. So
I mean, honestly, we would have been able to get plenty of algae really easily, so...
if you get algae in water, I don't know what's wrong. Lab equipment. Okay. This looks like a medical station. Looks like an MRI machine.
I think it's supposed to.
Oh, there's the processes. They're under my feet. I don't trust you, rotary door. I'm going away from you.
What all do I need? Make 6 of those. Up. Production.
What are you needing?
I need a lot of of materials, so I was looking to see if they put that thruster in, and they didn't. Okay, so build planner. Okay. Boat part.
Oh shit.
I thought I'd ask because I'm standing next to the assembler.
Yeah.
Well, one of them, assembler 3.
Okay. Yeah, I forgot about that little bit.
Ah, you're over there.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I'm mass producing what I need for getting the thrusters on the drone I'm putting together.
Okay. Well, I can mass carry. I gotta do something.
Yeah. Just as things are produced in this assembler over here, just grab it and bring them down.
Okay, so no, that would make it too big. Jeez.
I know this might be an odd question, but can you put your O on so I can find you?
Yeah. Give me just a tick. Alright.
I have a full inventory. Just gotta know where I'm going with it.
Okay, down here. See the one on top, the one on bottom here, and then I have a full set on the other side that needs to be welded.
How do you make yourself go where you see through your space engineer's eyes instead of behind his head?
V.
Which is a lot easier to aim.
Yeah. You'll need to remember to put a gyro on this thing. Alright. And
Need computers.
Yep. If you want to queue up some computers,
How many do you need?
3 for the camera. Queue up a total of 6.
Okay. Why is it not queuing?
Maybe full at the moment. No, you've queued 10 computers.
So I thought, but it was acting like it wasn't queued at all.
Well, it's got
That's why it's 10 instead of 6.
Oh, looks like the battery ran out. So I'll need to put another couple batteries on the back of this thing.
I need to let it fill with hydrogen first.
Oh, your sub?
Yeah.
That is the first time I heard the creek you guys been talking about the whole time.
A little eerie, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Now that I've heard it.
Alright.
I have a maximum full inventory, sadly.
Okay.
And none of these
I'm good.
pieces are something I need to weld up.
I'm gonna place some things that you might have stuff for.
Okay.
So,
I got that. Need construction components
okay.
and computers. The two things I don't have.
Okay, that doesn't need the glass.
Bulletproof
So,
glass, yeah.
yeah. Alright. And
I have the rest of the stuff's already done.
Yep.
Battery, construction components.
I may have enough construction components to finish. Okay. We need probably 6 more or 6 more computers.
Need power cells.
Yep. I had 3 power cells built, but probably need 1 more.
Well, each one needs 2. So.
Okay. Yeah, I'll.
And I need to go charge.
Okay.
I got stuck in the door.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, does it heal? Yes, it does. Yay!
Alright.
I am recharged.
Okay.
I've got steel plates, metal grids, large steel tubes, and shells, apparently.
Okay. Production.
Just so you know what I have, so you don't remake it.
Yep. Okay. One of the things I want to do.
Computers, and computers.
When you weld that up, the connector thing that I just put down.
My steel plate.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go upstairs and get.
It needs a little bit of everything that I don't have in my inventory. All I've got left is metal grid and the large tube.
Yeah. If you look up above the vent, you should have the vent over here. There's a large cargo container that you should be able to just drop stuff off in.
Okay.
Okay. I am gonna need some steel plate for this. Alright.
Assembler has been cleared.
Okay. Got that.
What the? Oh, you can access it down there. I was about to say, I got scared because the power cells just vanished from the box.
I was standing beside you. Okay. We need 6. Can you queue up 10 computers, please? And 6 motors. Make that 30 total computers and motors.
Got them both.
Okay.
You want me to put them in the thing?
The computers?
Yes.
Come down here.
Okay.
I need the connectors welded up and the batteries.
Alright.
And I need to look at something in the workshop because I'm not sure how I actually do something. Okay.
Won't the way the connectors on there mess with its propulsion?
Shouldn't. Plus, I'm planning on removing it.
That's just so you can fill it with stuff?
Nope.
Or charge its battery. Okay, I see what the...
Charge it.
Yeah, I see.
Okay.
I see it now. Just took me a minute to realize that.
How do I tether? Okay. Without having any blocks or tools equipped, left click, okay. Not sure why it's not working. Okay, well. While we have battery on this, let's go someplace safe. Come on, Thundra.
Coming. I'm as safe as I can be. I'm in the chair.
Okay.
I need a different type of chair.
Info. Cheap drone. Okay. Control panel. Okay. Control. Okay.
I'm gonna heal up while I'm waiting.
Yep. Okay, we want to, for now, turn that block off. We're going to Gate. Opening both those. Cheap drone. Control. Oh, I did that. I wanted to view. Okay. Cheap drone is pretty much constantly at overpower, so that's,
Does that mean we put too much on there?
we don't have enough power on it. Yes.
Okay, well, I'm testing. I've just opened the hangar doors on my ship, and I don't seem to be dying.
So you may have made a ship that can move.
Maybe. Okay, so that was remote access.
Right. Let's learn back. Okay. And yeah, that little drone has just died. That's how badly powered that thing was.
I wonder how much it takes to power those propellers it's got.
Probably a lot more than I realized.
Probably wouldn't be so bad if it's actually in the water.
Oh, it was in the water.
Oh, you flooded the area?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm
That's
glad I
why
came over here.
Get over here.
Never mind
I just closed the gates now. Gonna double check that. Yep, they're both closed. And we had a
I'm double sure. I'm behind another door.
Okay.
It's safe?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Remote
Okay.
I'm dying.
access.
What'd you do?
Control. Close the
How did
doors.
How?
What do you open? What do you open?
The little room I was in with the bed.
Okay, something's wrong here. Because this entire ship was not done like this. Okay, so somehow I don't have enough oxygen on the ship.
Fortunately, I have all of my piping directed straight through all of my O2 generators.
Oxygen generator. They're on. Oxygen tank. They're not stockpiling. I don't know why it has decided, since Thundra did something. I don't know what you did, Thundra. Did you close the door behind you? Fuck. I can't even get to see what she might have done to mess up that room.
I can't even hear her.
Yes.
Fuck. Just let me through the damn door. Don't kick my ass back out. I'm constantly dying, and and I keep getting pulled back through the door.
I just respawned on the wrong ship.
Eh.
Oh, hey, Thundra.
I,
Right, how did I put it on the other side? That's how I put it on the other side.
The safety door that we had,
yes.
I didn't get to shut that because I died before I could turn around and shut it. But we were taking damage as soon as I opened it.
Yes, but the thing is, I don't understand why the ship has suddenly decided, even though I have full oxygen tanks,
Let's see, one.
none of the ship is being pressurized.
No,
And I'm not here long enough to figure out why.
Okay, that works. That works. No, that works. Stop.
Not pressurized. Why?
Thundra, where are you currently?
What the hell?
Looks like a command center.
Yeah.
Well, I got my ship working.
I see you.
This is not making any damn sense.
Oh, hey, like my drone command center.
Looks neat. Just right now, I'm not scared to touch anything.
It's on.
No, you can come into this
Tanks
section.
on. They're not stockpiled. Why have
to
you decided?
come through this section down here? No,
What?
here. Hello.
Yeah.
Low.
My ship has decided, you know what? Everything is flooded. The air vents are not. And I don't know why it's decided that this is not pressurized.
I'm not sure. I don't know enough about how Space Engineer sees pressurization to know that.
If it's an enclosed space with an air vent, it should be pressurized. See, you should be pressurizing, even in worst case, in this room. What's going on here?
Oh, and if you go over to the front of this thing, I have several cockpits on it.
I fell down a hole.
Welcome to my drone carrier.
Yeah, I just fell down a hole.
Yeah, that's where I build my
Yeah.
drones.
I don't understand what happened that the entire ship is now flooded and will not. Okay. Let me get in
Nope.
one of these.
You will reverse course.
It
Okay,
moves.
close. You're close.
Well,
You're hitting the roof, but it moves.
yeah, well, it's all because the forward hydrogen tanks don't have enough offput.
Closed.
Uh, we need some downward pressure.
Okay. Inventory. OXY oxygen generator. See, it's got. There's plenty of ice.
Is all the ice going to the deuterium first
No.
and then the oxygen?
No, because I just looked at the oxygen generators.
Oh, oh. Hello.
All 4 of my oxygen tanks are at max capacity. None of them are on stockpile. I mean, I have no idea how it decided, let's Okay, so one of my rooms is actually pressurized. Now. Air vent, not pressurized. Off, on. What could be the problem here?
Would it be when the area was flooded beyond that door that it got into that other area because weird space engineers logic with water?
It's just air pressure. It's basically like if I vented it to space.
I don't know, but I had to ask because weirdness.
No, it's reading at like my I'm double checking the mod page right now to see if something's changed where Nope. Nope, there's nothing in the list that says it changed how much space you need for or how many vents you need for per vent or per space or whatever. So I shouldn't be taking damage here. Let me move.
Sandra?
Yeah.
Because we know this design kinda works, I'm opening the doors. And I'm
going back in it.
I'm gonna let this thing burn off excess hydrogen.
That has no energy power.
The drone?
Mm-hmm. Its lightning is 0.
Let me move. Thank you, game.
Yeah, that's energy production. If you look at the battery, it says it's got 75 years of juice on it.
Oh, okay. Should I go into drone control then?
Give me a second. I literally just hopped out of the thing. No, I'm trying to remote access the wreck. And hit 1.
I'm flying! No, the world's moving. Those are hangar doors.
Yes, those are hangar doors.
I thought I was moving.
No, I'm trying to burn off the excess hydrogen, so... The problem is there's not enough hydrogen on the back end to compensate. So I'm going to have to add a couple of
Okay.
hydrogen tanks to the back end.
Thank you. Control panel. Build and repair system. On. Motor and computers. Okay. Air vent 9. Why? Okay. So my air vent is non-functional. It's red. It has turned red for some reason.
Oh, shit. Nope. Get back in.
Pressing F equals death.
Yeah, well now, all of a sudden, we have no forward momentum. Thundra?
Okay.
You have
Yeah?
control of the ship.
I ain't touching it.
I hopped out of the control seat.
Okay.
So, you now have control of the ship.
Why is it
How are you going to drive this thing? Don't forget to nose down. Or you can hop out and hop back in real quick.
You do know how scared I am to do that right now?
I just did, Thundra. That's why I was like, oh shit. There. Just grab a cockpit, get in. There you go.
I had 5 health left.
Uh, yeah, I'm not seeing anything that is a solution to my problem. Hey, what the hell? Okay, so vent connected to cargo containers. Container, cargo container, cargo container, cargo container, cargo container. Okay, so
Okay, apparently you can lock
there.
a landing gear in the water.
Yeah, because it's locking to ice, Thundra. The stuff we're currently sliding across.
And those are my 4 oxygen tanks, and those are full. And they're connected. Why can we not pressurize? Were you able to repressurize parts of your ship that got water in it, Daniel?
Yeah. Like the bow section, it still technically was full of water, but because you close off the section to the water, it reads as a semi-pressurized, or as a warm pressurized environment. Well, apparently
Yeah.
it burned off too much hydrogen.
So apparently, I do not have the ability to pressurize my ship. For some reason.
Hey, Thundra, think we got plenty of juice now?
I should be able to. Oh. This should pressurize.
Oh, I see what it's doing. It's charging as it goes.
This is a space that was never even gone into, and it's flooded. And I can understand why this segment would be flooded, but nobody went into here, so it shouldn't have done that.
We're gliding across the ice now.
Yeah, I got just enough hydrogen into the system.
We're almost to you, D-Swank.
Oh,
Yeah,
I must have
Yeah,
locked onto the ice.
You did.
my problem is I'm trying to figure out why my ship is not pressurizing at all.
You walked.
It's acting like I don't, either the resources aren't there or it's not conveyored up. Both of which are not true.
Yeah, my ship's just slightly too big to make it in that door.
In what door?
Your lower door.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're here?
Yeah,
Yes.
right underneath your ship.
This one, this door looks like it. If you took one of the cockpits off and there was only two, you might have been able to fit in there. And it's equivalent mass behind it, but as is currently, does not look like it'll fit. I mean, your butt might fit in, but it'd be a tight fit.
Well, here's a question.
Hmm.
Do you think you could take that back to your ship and put a grinder on it?
Yeah. I'd need to make one slight modification to it, but yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
Thundra, can you log into my ship?
Since I am currently stuck in a cryopod, I am just going to follow you in spectator view. Yeah, your ass end is dragging pretty good.
Yeah, it's because I didn't think to put the hydrogen tags in the back as well.
Yeah.
If I'd balanced it, then it probably would have worked better. I mean, I'm going to once I get it back in and docked.
Yeah, even if I was able to get out of my cryopod at this point,
Yeah.
I would not be able to,
Get to me.
yeah, because it's going to kill me. Okay, this is your hangar. You fly in.
Take a half the skate across the entryway.
Now
Yeah.
I hit I, go into remote access, into the rect. Hit 1, which will close the hangar doors,
Yep.
which once they are fully closed, and they are, I can hop right out of the ship.
I don't understand how your ship is able to what you did that mine doesn't have. Because mine is plumbed up. But the air vents work on your ship, but not mine.
I'm reading what he actually has in his ship to see if I can figure out that answer.
Well, Thundra, if you look on the other end of the hangar, you'll probably notice I have a couple of these collectors inside the ship,
Yeah?
as well as the air vents, so it might be a combination of the two regulating it
Maybe.
once the ship seals itself.
I'm going to give that a try.
Because that's actually one of the first things I did, was I built those collectors in the corners
Yeah.
and on the outside of my ship, of the hangar.
Do the collectors get rid of the water?
Yeah, it turns it into ice.
Possibly.
Or, yeah, well, it's turned it into ice for me, so.
That would make sense then, because the area where your hangar room door is doesn't have the collector, just that one hallway does.
That's why I'm giving it a try.
I mean, there's like that might be it. It'd be awesome if that's it. Cause
It doesn't explain how the back end flooded at all.
The back end of your ship?
Yes.
I don't think it was ever fully.
Yes, it was.
Oh,
I've been in there since we've crashed. Perfectly fine.
question, D Swank.
Yes.
That back end, that wouldn't happen to be by where the wing was that I died at, would it?
Yes.
She left the door open.
The
No, it's rotary door.
Yeah.
It just may not have been able to get the water out. Because there was a rotary door that I died going out of. And I'd locked every door behind me. I don't mean lock, I mean shut every door behind me. And I went out the rotary door thinking it was the rotary door by medbay, and it wasn't.
Okay. Collector. Alright. So I am collecting water.
Why am I hearing heavy breathing?
Because you're running around.
Oh.
Okay,
I wasn't in shift running, so that's why I thought I was a little wondering. My character must be really out of weight if just simple walking is a problem.
out of weight. Fuck. Okay. Respawn.
Is there anything I can do to help?
Well, right now, I need to let this equalize a bit. And then we're going to need to blow most of the hydrogen. No pun intended, but yeah.
Here, just let.
I found a safe way to get down here.
And
I found the stairs.
you did? Yeah.
Yeah, I found the stairs. It's hard to tell anything in this one because it all looks the same.
Well, this is the plan was this thing was going to be in space, and no one else was originally going to be joining me in it. So.
That's fine. In all honesty, I was trying to spawn at D-Swank's medical room. It didn't work very well, though. Oh dear,
Yay,
it's moving!
It works.
Yeah, but it almost ran me over while it was working. It's not balanced, at least. It's not got its butt in the ground.
Yeah, it's going to be kind of like that for a while. So.
But it's still going to be too heavy for, or too big to get to D-Swank's door.
Okay.
Well, what we need to do is take all of the O2 generators and turn them off.
Okay.
And every one of your connector, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4. I count 4 of the vents that are, I can physically see them blow the air.
Yeah, there's 3 blowing full. There's 2 that should be pressurizing and 1 that's depressurizing. So it's cycling the room, so to speak.
Yeah.
Okay. Control. Inventory.
But yeah, if the collectors are the problem, that would be somewhat of an easy fix.
Okay. Production.
Um,
Um.
Daniel just plopped down next to me. It scared me a little bit.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure
No, no,
out
no, no.
where. Because.
Thank you, auto place bullshittery.
You know what?
Auto rotation
It's
crapola.
not going to work with the way I designed that one, so.
It looks like it's working to me. It's flying. Well, and people are not dying in it.
Yes, if that was the consistency of a successful ship in Space Engineers, I'd hate to see what your plans for a failure would be.
You see my plans for failure. You see what happens when my failed ships work.
Mm.
They're really bad.
Collector.
But
Build and
that one
repair
has.
system.
Let's see.
What do we need? Steel plates.
Ooh.
Finish that off. And if this works,
I don't have any parts, so I can't weld that up for you. So.
Ship's right here, Thundra.
I know, but I
should be able
don't
to
have.
access the ship through like this here connector.
What do you need?
Currently, not much. I'm trying to design the ship because we need a grinding ship. Okay.
Do you want me to help weld?
You can if you'd like. Let's see, bring it up to about
build and repair.
there.
Injection components.
And forward enough to
Okay.
there.
This is very similar to what D-Swing was doing.
Well, when you get down to it, basic concept's always going to be roughly the same.
You just have one on each side, whereas D-Swing had just the one side one. Oh, it's a grinder. It looks the same from the back. Never mind. Never mind.
Yep, no,
Just gonna
go
Just to go over here. It's a little bit of a shame dance.
Don't be ashamed. Be surprised how many people can't tell what's what nowadays.
Okay. 6.
And so I need that, and then I need the.
No shit, my health is low. You won't let me into what I'm trying to get into.
And we're going to need.
What other pieces do you need?
A couple of these. Just to start.
Cargos? Yeah, cargos.
And then this should be enough offset to balance it out. And then that.
Should I try and get that one to stop flying?
Huh?
Should I land the other one?
No, it needs to burn off hydrogen in the forward tanks.
Okay.
That's why I turned off the O2 tanks and left the hydrogen engines and the one burning thruster to just burn off the hydrogen that's in it.
Okay, I just thought I'd ask because I'm trying to help.
Well, what needs to happen is this thing needs to relieve enough pressure to be able to land, and then we need to empty the tanks that are in it by turning on the hydrogen thrusters to full blast and just letting them empty the current hydrogen system.
Well, you've got this. These containers are like this dark green. It's interesting. It looks cool.
Hey, I have a thought, Daniel.
What's that?
Yo, what's up?
You've got an energy weapon, yes? On your
I've
ship.
Got several. What do you need to go boom?
Well, I was thinking, do you think you could cut the part of my ship that is embedded in the ice?
I could potentially. Why, you want to go to the surface at this point?
Well, no. The problem is that none of the solutions available to me are working. I mean, it's clear that if you have a system, you can get the thing to
work?
because your hangar bay refilled with oxygen.
Technically, it's still full of water, but it's at comfortable pressure.
Yeah. Well, whatever. Technically, my ship had the water effects floating in it as well. But there, as far as I can tell, other than having
Let's see.
a cycling air vent.
Uh-oh.
Well, he's carving pretty much where I'm asking him to.
Yeah, considering I
Is
can't
that what
see a
that noise
damn
is?
thing.
Is that what
Oh,
the noise is?
Yeah?
Because, all honesty, Fuzz needs that as a sound effect to do for, like, certain critters, because that is freaking scary.
Okay, you've got pretty much the ass end cleared out. Got, like, I should be free? Let me, info, convert to ship.
Oh god, yeah. Your ship just went holy crap and it's lifting off.
Yeah, I'm not gonna touch any controls because I can't get to any controls.
Well, your
But I'm
ship
curious
just
to see-
said, fuck this shit, I'm out.
Yeah, I'm curious to see where it's gonna go from here.
I'm curious too, but I can't see it anywhere.
Do you remember those medium conveyors for the small grid?
Nope.
Oh, yeah, no, now it's time to catch that thing because she's scooting across the ceiling.
Yes. Holy crap! Oh my gosh!
Oh, no.
Well, the converting it from station to ship. Well, it's freezing. I'm able to walk around. So I'm gonna do what I can and get this thing semi-controlled.
You think you'll be able to get the stuff you need built to fix it?
I don't know.
On my screen, it looks like you almost have it leveled out.
Feels like I almost have it leveled out. But I'm also going up very slowly. So,
Well, now your nose, one end is dipping. I just can't tell which because I don't know which is your nose and not because I can't see. It's too dark.
it's going to be the nose.
I can only barely see it. Well, you're getting closer.
Yep.
Want to just dock with my ship?
You're friendly, so I should be able to touch you with my shield without an issue, right?
Should be.
We'll know in a second. You're now within 200 range or 200 meter range almost. To be exact, it's 263. And that's your signal, not the ship. The ship is 355.
Yeah.
Let me know if you need me to hop out of the control seat. I'm just watching D-Swing try to land.
No, that's fine. I'm currently working a set of batteries into the new design.
Oh shit.
Be careful. You're only
Yeah,
120
no,
meters.
your ship just came into kind of
View?
my awareness. Oh, I am pointed down.
Yes. Your nose is down. You got your tail end is almost two. It's 115 difference between you and it, distance wise.
Yeah.
So
Am I floating upward?
Do I have
Yes, I am.
If you were on the ground, you'd be doing a nose stand.
No, I'm accelerating upward. I need to turn my. I'm gonna turn my thrusters off.
On.
Okay, I'm sinking now, I guess.
Very slowly.
Yep.
Now you're decelerating faster. I don't know what you did, but you're going faster down now.
All I have right now is gyro control.
Sorry, I'm rushing on the production of this thing, so.
No, that's understandable. I'm just letting Thunder know.
Yeah, you've got you're coming down lots faster rate,
Uh huh.
and you're about 70 meters difference between you and your butt, and you're still at an angle.
Yeah, I'm trying to level that out, but I mean, it's taking a lot of effort because the back end is constantly being pulled up. Combined with the fact I can't really tell.
Oh, yeah.
If I could turn the lights on, I would, but I don't even know if there is lights.
There's not many lights on Daniels.
Yeah, no, mine was designed to be a stealth ship, so no, not a lot of lights.
Yeah, mine was designed to be, I don't care if you see me or not, I'm going to hit you with a stick.
You're getting awfully close to the your
Yep,
back end is going right on his front.
I just saw your shield bubble coming through my hangar bay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Your would-be left side is over the nose of the ship.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I think I'm good now. But a lot of my problems that I had on the ship, like getting near the windows, not a problem anymore.
Just needed
I
to
now
convert
have-
it to ship.
Mm-hmm.
Different pressurization rules, I guess, for ship versus station.
Maybe. I mean, it's still freezing. Down here. But I have high oxygen. But my vents aren't really doing anything.
Well, just so you know, your left wing is resting on the top of.
Oh, I know.
No.
I saw it.
Just making sure.
And my collectors are constantly pulling ice. So, yay. There's that.